If you are planning to build a contemporary home with a hidden roof design, there are important principles you must understand before you begin construction. Contemporary architecture is all about clean lines, simplicity, balance, and precision. The beauty of a hidden roof house is that it looks effortless and modern from the outside. But behind that simplicity, there must be strong structural planning and perfect execution. First, the foundation and structural frame must be accurate. Columns, beams, and slabs must align perfectly because contemporary design does not hide mistakes. Every line is visible. Every corner must be straight. Precision is everything. Second, waterproofing is critical. Hidden roof houses use flat or low-slope slabs, and that means proper drainage is mandatory. The roof must have a correct slope for water flow, high-quality waterproofing membranes, and well-positioned drainage outlets. Without this, you risk long-term leakage problems. Third, block work and plaster finishing must be sharp and smooth. Cement and sand ratios must be controlled correctly to prevent cracks. Skimming should be even and professionally done because modern houses depend heavily on clean surfaces. Fourth, invest in quality windows and doors. Contemporary homes rely on large glass panels to create natural light and openness. Strong aluminum frames and energy-efficient glass improve durability and comfort. Finally, landscaping completes the project. Clean walkways, modern tiles, balanced greenery, and subtle lighting transform a simple structure into a premium home. Contemporary construction is not about complexity, it is about precision, discipline, and attention to detail. Build with planning. Build with quality. Build modern.